As the Supreme Court passed a verdict on Monday to relocate all stray dogs in Delhi NCR to shelters, animal lovers across the nation expressed their disappointment and revolted against the decision. Several celebs including Janhvi Kapoor, Varun Dhawan, Dhanashri Verma, and others also participated in the movement. Janhvi took to her Instagram handle to share a note which read, "They call it a menace. We call it a heartbeat." Today, the Supreme Court says, take every stray dog off the streets of Delhi NCR and lock them away. No sunlight, no freedom, no familiar faces they greet every morning. But these aren't just stray dogs. They are the ones who wait outside your tea stall for a biscuit. They are the silent night guards for shopkeepers. They are the tails wagging when children return from school. They are the warmth in a cold, uncaring city. The note also highlighted the safety concerns of citizens, but added that those problems can be solved by mass sterilization of dogs and other initiatives like community feeding zones and adoption campaigns. A society that can't protect its voiceless is a society losing its soul. Today it's the dogs. Tomorrow, who will it be? Raise your voice. Because they don't have one, the note concluded. Varun Dhawan also reshared the note. Dhanashri Verma urged the people of Delhi to adopt the strays and send generous contributions to animal shelters so that the dogs can be treated with the basic amenities if not more. Actor-comedian Veer Das shared photos on X of his pets he adopted from the streets a few years ago. He urged people to adopt dogs. If you are a resident of Delhi, can I persuade you to adopt an indie off the streets? More than one? They are extremely healthy, low maintenance, and will provide you with more love, affection, and gratitude than you could ever imagine, he wrote. He added, I am also asking you to wholeheartedly and generously support your nearest animal welfare NGO. I plan on doing so. I hope you will too. As appeals are filed in court and processes take their time, it's important for our humanity to kick in immediately. Please do your part, big or small, it all adds up. Earlier, Raveena Tandon had slammed the local authorities for not working efficiently towards the sterilization and vaccination of strays, due to which the SC was forced to pass such a decision. I feel where the population of Indies has increased, it is honestly not these poor dogs to be blamed. It means the vaccination and sterilization drives aren't done by local bodies, she told. Meanwhile, post the Supreme Court's verdict on Monday, animal lovers and activists were seen protesting in Delhi, and they were later detained by the Delhi police.